Hello and welcome to Saki Tech. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to completely back up and restore your Android smartphone using a custom recovery. I will be using the TWRP recovery, but the same procedure applies to Clockwork Mod recovery. So this video is basically for those of you who like to switch between custom ROMs on your smartphone, but would like to create a full system backup before you plunge into a brand new custom ROM, just in case things go wrong. Or maybe you just want to have a backup, which is a good thing, and that's fine too. Now, I will be using an HTC One M8 to demonstrate the backup and restore process, but since TWRP looks the same on all Android smartphones, this tutorial applies to all Android smartphones. So let's dive in. Now, the first thing I want you guys to do is go to the App Store and download the free application called Goo Manager. What this application will allow you to do is it's going to allow you to go to the custom recovery at the touch of a button. So let me demonstrate really quick. As you can see, there's a bunch of options. We don't need any of those options. All we need is the reboot recovery option. You tap that, you press yes, and this will send you to your custom TWRP recovery without having to press a bunch of hardware buttons on the phone as we usually do. So this will take you directly to TWRP at the press of a button. It's called Goo Manager. Once you're in the main menu, the first thing you want to press is the backup button. Tap it, and as you can see, there's a couple selections that were pre-selected for you. It is perfectly fine to leave them as it is. The most important option on this screen is where it says storage towards the bottom. So let's tap that really quick. Now here you get three options, okay? So you can either save your backup to your internal storage, which is going to be the storage that comes with your phone. So HTC One has 32 gigabytes of storage, and it even tells you right next to the internal storage how much space you have free. So if you have enough free space, you can do a backup right there. The second option is if your phone allows you to have a micro SD card, you can send your backup to an internal micro SD card because it is sitting in your phone. And then finally, what you can do is you can actually attach a USB OTG cable to your phone and then attach a USB flash drive inside that USB OTG cable. Let me show you what I mean. It is easier to understand if I actually show it to you. So that's a USB OTG cable, and as you can see on the one end on the top, the USB flash drive is attached into the USB port. The other end is a micro USB port, which you attach into your phone's micro USB jack, and then you can actually back up your data straight into that external flash drive and just put it aside until the time you need to restore that data. Alright, so as you can see, you have three options. You can back up your data to your internal storage, to your micro SD card, or an external flash drive. Anyway, for this example, I'm going to use the micro SD card to back up my phone. So let's just go back to the beginning here, and you tap backup, you pick your storage option, micro SD card in my case, you click OK, and all you do is you tap, well, you don't have to tap, you just swipe to backup. That's it. And the process simply starts. And then let me just fast forward this all the way to the end because there's nothing else you have to do till the backup is actually complete. Okay, so the full system backup is complete. Everything on your phone, including your operating system, your phone call logs, your text messages, your music, your videos, your photos, has been saved. And let's go back to the home screen by pressing that home button, so that I can show you how to restore your phone from a backup. So let's say something crazy happened and you lost all your data, but now that you have a backup, all you do is you go back into TWRP and you tap on the restore button this time. And if you look at the select package to restore, you'll see a list of the packages that you have backed up. So that package right there is the one we just did. If you have more backups, you're going to see them all listed right here. Okay, so the recent one is going to show up on the top. Anyway, all you do is you tap on the name of the backup that you want to restore, and the process starts automatically. I'm not going to do it in this video because I don't have to restore right now. Everything is fine with my phone, but if something happens, I simply come back to TWRP, I tap the restore button, I choose which backup I want to restore, and the TWRP will take care of the rest of the process. TWRP or clockwork mod recovery, doesn't matter. Okay, the procedure is the same. I just happen to use the TWRP recovery. Alright, so that brings us to the end of this video. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel for more videos to come. Give me a thumbs up if you liked this video, and also you can go ahead and connect with me socially on Google+, Facebook, and Twitter, for which all the links are in the description below. Thank you again, and I'll see you the next time. And if you have any questions, comments, concerns, just throw them down in the comments section below.